I just really encourage everyone out there, don't let your guard down. We've got to keep pulling together and working together to get through this.
In less than 24 hours, we'll be ringing in the new year. Thanks for waking up with us. I'm Joey Horta, and Lindsay is off this morning. After all the hurdles we faced in 2020, a lot of people are ready to celebrate a brighter year ahead. But we need to be careful. 25 News reporter Eliza Navarro has more on what doctors are now suggesting.
Whether we like it or not, the message is simple but important. Coronavirus continues to be a major threat in our community, so we have to do our best to hold off on parties and celebrations tonight so we don't start the new year with what could be a surge in new cases. The coronavirus pandemic is no laughing matter. It changed the lives of millions of people across the world, making 2020 a year to remember.
This certainly has been a very challenging time.
Obviously something that none of us could have predicted.
Restricting large gatherings was one way to try and reduce the spread of the virus. Regardless, people still gathered, especially during the holidays.
We look back to Halloween, we were averaging about 50 a day. And then the week after Halloween, that jumped to about 100 a day. And then our hospitalizations jumped up.
And with TSA numbers reporting that over 7 million people were screened at TSA checkpoints the week leading up to Christmas, the health department is concerned.
The long-term effects of that, which was 2 months ago, we're still seeing the effect of that. And of course, that's the concern, that what we had for Thanksgiving, what we did for Christmas, and now New Year's.
Which is why doctors are asking the community to be mindful of gatherings for the celebration of a new year.
We have far too many patients that are sick. The virus is still spreading. There's still critically ill people and people dying from COVID. We have got to keep up our vigilance right now.
Dr. Wilson agrees and says the community must continue to follow basic measures such as washing your hands, wearing a mask, social distancing, and avoiding large gatherings. This regardless of what day of the year it is.
I wish that I could say that the pandemic took into consideration whether we were having holidays or not. If we could get everyone to do the basic measures that we've discussed from the beginning during the rest of the year as well, during non-holiday times, it would make a huge difference.
A difference everyone is searching for in 2021. Both doctors and Kelly Crane tell me they already got their COVID-19 vaccine and remain hopeful that 2021 will be different, but they say everyone must do their part. In Waco, Eliza Navarro, 25 News.